You know, looking at the walk description in the map, we weren't really going to do this walk, but after hearing the story behind it and how amazingly significant it was to the lighthouse and to the people who live there, we've decided to come and check it out today, and it's quite exciting and it's quite steep. There's this stuff that Trevor was telling us about called zebra schist. I can totally see where it gets its name. Now our good mate Trev is up there running a tour at the moment, and we're popping up for something a bit special. This is our resident kangaroo, or little wallaby, or kangaroo. I can't tell them apart. I know I should be able to. Oh yes, I see what you're talking about. And now I've just realised why they've called the kangaroo balls. We are loving it here up at Cape Border Lighthouse. And so here on the northwestern tip of the island, we've done a couple of walks already today. And now we're doing the ravine hike. A beautiful little echidna. An echidna. Now, I'm no expert when it comes to kids, but I do remember being one myself. And I reckon that this hike would be an awesome thing to bring kids on, because all the way along the cliff edges here on the beach, there are these sea caves that you can check out. And some of them go back quite a way. And you can kind of think of pirate treasure being inside. Arr. Last night at Cape Border Lighthouse, and we wish we could stay more because it's just been an amazing place to stay. To fabulous walking buddies, cheers! So it's not all about bushwalking this week. Kangaroo Island is also famous for some fabulous produce, and one of those things is marron, which kind of tends to look a little bit like our yabbies, but it's not a yabby. Yum.